N740-13 eastbound. Like to approach. You guys drop out. Well, what that means. I know you got a crew change, so I know that. Let me turn off my lights off so I won't blind them. Second unit. Alright, so if I understand correctly, they're going down to the yard office, swap out, and keep going. So the new crew could be start at 6:30. Well, I'm doing it at 6:30 if I heard correctly. So, well, I was hoping to catch the N740, but I wasn't sure if we're gonna make it or not. So I can tell I'm at Brunswick now. So I can't see the Venus Half Power yet. So when I get more light out, hopefully should be about another half hour or so. Give or take about a minute. I'll try to get the Venus Half Power for you guys. Now I don't know if I highly doubt it, but I'm 50-50 right now if the K6 I'm going to leave today. Highly doubt it. I may have to do 2 parts of this train. Oh, that's cool, man. Alright, I'm gonna do second part of this train, so this video won't be as long, so it'll be easier for you guys. Alright, see you guys on part 2 of this train.